Adding a footer to your Weebly website is a great way to include important information like contact details, navigation links, or social media icons at the bottom of each page. Here's how to add and customize a footer. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log into your account. Open the website editor. From your Weebly dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the editor. Access the footer section. Scroll down to the bottom of your site. Weebly automatically includes a footer area where you can add elements like text, images, or links. Edit the footer. Hover over the footer section and the toolbar will appear. You can drag and drop elements such as text, images, social media icons, or even custom HTML. To add text, drag the text elements into the footer, then click it to edit. For links, you can use the button or navigation elements. Customize footer content. Add details like your contact information, terms of service, privacy policy, or a newsletter sign-up form. You can also adjust the design by changing fonts, colors, and alignment. Save and publish. Once you've customized the footer, click Save and then Publish to make the changes live on your website.